Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on your TV. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. To activate Paramount Plus on your TV, begin by ensuring your smart TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your TV and locate the App Store or search function on your device. Search for Paramount Plus in the App Store. Once you find the Paramount Plus app, select it and click on the download or install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the installation, open the Paramount Plus app on your TV. You will see an option to sign in or start a free trial. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your email address and password associated with your Paramount Plus account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in or creating an account, you will receive an activation code. Make note of this activation code. Now, using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Go to the activation website provided on your TV screen. Enter the activation code into the designated field on the website. Click the Submit or Activate button. Your TV will refresh, and you should be logged into Paramount Plus automatically. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Paramount Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.